Z- zip, war, wash, mm, sing, mm, van, ooh, book, ooh, moon. Wong was a bold singer with a long song. He sang it by the pond at sunset. A strong wind blew the song away. Oh no, Wong said with a sob. He ran to the hill with his vest on. A van zoomed past with a loud buzz. Wong waved to stop it. The man in the van gave a loud nod. My song flew west, said Van. They went along the road to look. At last, Wong heard the soft hum of his song. The second story, The Glow Homeward. The fog was thick on the long road. Wes wore his red vest and a wool cap. He had a box of tools and a map. A van with a soft hum drove by slowly. Wes gave a wave to the man inside. Can you help me fix this old wagon? The man gave a big nod. The wagon buzzed and shook. It's moving! Shouts! They both rode off into the glow.